guys, it's Ashley from Young Travel Art. Now I'm in Qingdao, which is a coastal city of China. When I was cooking seafood, I got this idea for this video. Did you know some fish use ink for their defense? Here is an example. Have you seen this before? It's a cuttlefish. Today I'll compare its ink to Sumi-e Ink, which I normally use for calligraphy. In conclusion, the Cuttlefish ink came out very well. I can't even tell the difference, can you? Also, it was smoother to paint with than the Sumi ink. So I think I'll use it again. Okay, that's it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe.